Hello, people on the internet or out in the world. It is I, Furnace, your worst nightmare. I was a loyal member to Eggman, but he betrayed me and Metal Sonic, and now I'm working with Team Tenrec to help me take down Team Dark, Team Rose, and Team Sonic. Mostly try to take Sonic's powers, but I'm mostly known to fail a few times, but this time around, I am going to succeed no matter what. The dreams of Furnace being 2.0 of Sonic the Hedgehog will come true. With the help of Team Tenrec, Metal Sonic, the Mimic, Tails Doll, Rosie, that shadow version of Rose, that's her shadow form, and some other villains like Dr. Starline and Kit. We are going to be superior and take down those teams. You haven't seen the best of me yet. Just stay tuned.